Pry out the A-pillar triangle dummy cover using a nylon prier. Remove the foam pad. Next, insert the foam pad into the new A-pillar speaker. Now, remove the door trim bar by prying on the top side of the panel. Take note there is a spring latch at this area. Push the latch from the bottom to release it. Now, remove the door handle bowl cover. Unscrew the first T30 screw using the Torx screwdriver. Next, remove the second T30 screw at the door opener bowl area. The door panel is held by the plastic buckle clips along the door panel edges. Pry out the panel gently until you hear the clip pops. Disconnect the blue connector on the door speaker and reconnect it to the Y adapter connector to tap the signal for the A-pillar tweeter. Now, reassemble the door panel. Tap gently along the door panel edges to ensure all the buckle clips latched. Now, latch on the new A-pillar speaker and its cover. Fasten the two T30 screws. Then, latch on the door panel trim. Finally, latch on the door handle bowl cover and it's done.